Hello everyone. Today I'm drawing some wolves. I've been drawing wolves for almost a year, figuring out how they move, how they look when they're angry, when they're happy. So this is some sketching for today that I started. I am looking for a way how to incorporate my wolf drawings into my new book. So I'm looking for postures and expressions of the face, so I can use them in my book, what I'm envisioning. Most likely it's going to be an angry wolf who is frustrated with the fact that he can get into Lollipop's overalls. This is my new book that it's going to be published soon. I love expressions of the animals. That's my favorite part, how to do expressions of animals. The rest is quite easy. Wolves are quite elegant animals. They have fluffy ears and beautiful fur. When you draw wolves, I always try to envision how they look angry, and actually you can compare them even with some humans expressions. how the ears are standing up or laying down very low. And you can do it by studying not only animal expressions, but actually human expressions will be very helpful.